In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Stripe Radar for modern fraud prevention. We'll walk through your dashboard, explore the existing rule groups, take a quick look at risk controls, and then build a custom review rule for high-value, higher-risk payments. Let's get started. First, head over to the Stripe site. I'm assuming you're already logged in, so once the page loads, you'll land on your main dashboard. This is your central hub where everything begins. From the dashboard, look toward the top of the screen and click on Products. A menu will appear. Inside that menu, hover over Payments, and from the expanded options, click Radar. So the path is Products, then Payments, then Radar. Once you click Radar under the Payments section, the Radar workspace will load. Take a moment to confirm the page heading clearly says Radar. This tells you that you're in the right place to manage fraud prevention settings. Now look at the top Radar navigation bar and click Rules. This is where Stripe lists all the active fraud rules tied to your account. You'll see a row of rule group cards or tabs across the page labeled All, Request 3DS, Allow, Block, and Review. Each one filters the rules by the action they perform. Go ahead and click Block. Once the Block tab loads, point your attention to the enabled high-risk block rules listed there. These are the rules Stripe uses to stop dangerous payments before they go through. Next, click Request 3DS. Notice that 3D secure rules don't block payments outright. Instead, they challenge the buyer with an extra verification step, giving the transaction a chance to succeed if it's legitimate. Now click All to bring every rule back into view at once. After that, look up to the top Radar navigation and click Risk Controls. Briefly take note that this is the area where Stripe balances fraud protection against payment approval. We're not going to change anything here, so just observe the layout and move on. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Now click Rules again to return to the Rules table because we're going to add a custom review rule. Near the top of the Rules page, find the Add Rule button and click it. A small menu will open showing the rule types you can create. From that menu, click Review. A right side panel will slide open titled Add a Transaction Rule. Look near the top of that panel and confirm it says Review. If for any reason the panel says Block instead, click the X in the top right corner to close it. Then reopen Add Rule and choose Review again. Now click inside the condition box so your cursor is active and ready for input. You're going to type one specific condition. Carefully enter $amount _in _ ICE_D:, then a space, then the greater than sign, then 1000.00. After that, type the word and, then risk _score : then a space, then greater than or equal to, followed by 20. Take your time and make sure each part is entered exactly as shown. Do not type the word review or the word if before this condition. Stripe already handles the action and the if portion automatically, so adding them would break the rule. Once your condition is in, look to the bottom right of the panel and click Test Rule. Stripe will run a quick simulation. Review the rule test results, or the impact summary that appears so you can see how this rule would have affected past transactions. Before saving, confirm the rule is still set as a review rule and not something else. When you're satisfied, click Add Rule to save it. The panel will close and you'll return to the Rules table. Look through the list and confirm the new review rule appears there. Your Radar Rules table now has a custom review rule for high-value, higher-risk payments. From now on, future matching payments will be sent to review instead of being ignored or automatically blocked. Congratulations! You've successfully set up a smarter fraud prevention layer using Stripe Radar.